Are you tired of the compatibility issues that come with deploying applications on different machines? Docker, the solutions to your problem. Hello, my name is Roshan Shah, and today we will talk about Docker, the platform that's changing the way we deploy and run applications. In this video, we will explore what Docker is, how it works, and why it becomes such a popular tool for developers and operations team. Spiralogics SkillUp is a series of videos created by employees of Spiralogics to help working professionals improve their skills and knowledge on topics ranging from project management, software development, communications, QA, HR, operations management to DevSecOps. Docker is a platform that allows you to package, deploy, and run applications in containers. Containers are self-contained units that include all the dependencies, libraries, configuration necessary for your applications to run. With Docker, you can run your applications on any machines, regardless of the underlying infrastructure. Let's understand with example. An application developed on a developer's laptop can be packaged into Docker container and deployed on a testing server or in the cloud with minimal changes. There are many reasons why Docker has become so popular among developers and operation teams. Firstly, Docker provides consistency. With containers, you can ensure that your applications will run the same way on any machine, reducing the likelihood of compatibility issues. Secondly, Docker containers are lightweight, making it easy to run multiple applications on the same machine. In addition, Docker provides an easy way to manage and scale applications. You can create, delete, and move containers as needed without affecting other parts of your infrastructure. Finally, Docker offers great security features allowing you to isolate applications. Using Docker is simple and straightforward. You start by installing Docker on your machine and then you can create a Docker image of your application. The image acts as a blueprint for your container and it's stored in a centralized repository for easy sharing and distribution. Once you have your image, you can use the Docker CLI to run your container. You can specify any necessary environment variables, port mapping, other configuration options. And that's it. Your application is now running in a Docker container. In conclusion, Docker is a powerful platform for deploying and running applications. It provides consistency, scalability, ease of use, and security, making it an essential tool for any development or operations team. Whether you are building a new applications or migrating to an existing one, Docker is a great choice. Thank you for watching this video on Docker. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on technology and programming. Until next time, happy coding! Spiralogics SkillUp को भिडियोज बनाउने बेलामा चाहिँ मैले धेरै कुराहरू सिक्न पाएँ। जस्तै कि युट्युब स्क्रिप्टिङहरू कसरी बनाउने, के कुराहरूलाई ध्यान दिनुपर्छ हामीले, अनि त्यो भिडियोजहरू बनाउँदाखेरि पनि हामीहरूले कुन कुराहरूमा ध्यान दिनुपर्छ। अब बोल्दाखेरि पनि हामीहरूले अब कसरी कुन कुरालाई चाहिँ टोन हाई गरेर बोल्ने, कहाँनिर चाहिँ लो गरेर बोल्ने, त्यो सबै धेरै कुराहरू जो छ अब हामीले त्यहाँबाट धेरै कुराहरू सिक्न पाउँछ। र मैले चाहिँ फर्स्ट टाइम अब युट्युब भिडियोज बनाएको हो र मलाई जहाँसम्म लाग्छ मैले धेरै कुराहरू सिकेँ र म पनि पछि बनाउन सक्छु होला जस्तो म चाहिँ ट्राई गर्छु। जे होस् पछि चाहिँ त्यति नै हो। थ्याङ्क यू।
आवाज के छ त्यो लन्चले भएन 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 I'm so sorry Roshan, I know you.
ठीक छ।
Let's understand with example. An application developed on a developer's laptop can be packaged into a Docker container.
Can be packaged into a Docker. An application developed on a developer's laptop. Your applications same way on way from the from the provides consistent videos on technology and programming until happy coding. यहाँ देखेन क्या
Rolling, right?
Thank you for watching this video on Docker. Thank you for watching this video on Docker. Thank you for watching this video on Docker. Until next time, happy coding. Until next time, happy coding. Until next time, happy coding.